Parents celebrate failure. In Bagalkot district of Karnataka, a failed student academically, yet the family celebrates it with love by cutting cake as their dear Abhishek Yellappa could clear 3 subjects out of 6 in 10th board examination. This occurred in Navnagar in Bagalkot district. Guess what has happened from the family of Abhishek Yellappa later? The student of Basveshwar English Medium High School in Basveshwar scored meager 200 out of 625 and scored meager 32%, which is technically failed. Parents of Abhishek were emotional and backed Abhishek Yellappa 100% and termed his failure as step towards success and motivated him later. It is said that when Abhishek was just 15 months old, he suffered burn injuries on both legs. Since then, he is facing memory issues that have made studying tough and exams even tougher. So, when the results came and he was low-key and disappointed, his dad didn't yell. He didn't give up. His father bought a cake for him, fed it to him and said, "Exams aren't everything. Try again," was the words. The whole family, that includes his mom, siblings, grandma, stood by him with love, hugs and full of support. This gesture by the family will not just motivate to perform better but offers a helping hand to do better in future.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೊದಲಿಂದ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ 10th ನೀ ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದಂಗೆ ಈಗೂ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿ. ಆ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೊದಲಿನಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಕಡೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ. ಏನಂತಿ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೆದು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ.
ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾನಂತ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ. ಏನ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದಂಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುಡೇವ ಇಷ್ಟು ಓದ್ಯಾನಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರ್ದಾನಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಖುಷಿನ ಏನು ತಲೆ ಕಟ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Okay.